Welcome back to Kungana Chengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixezo Media, episode 28. Today we're reading anaGudo. There was a time animals would laugh at the vervet monkeys and baboons. They were called many things, and among those insults were thief, stupid, and imbecile. These things were often said behind their backs since they were known to retaliate with their hands. The monkeys and baboons acted like they did not care, but deep down, it hurt them. It hurt them that the other animals saw them as useless and only good for stealing food, until that one fateful night. One night, out of pure frustration, the youngest of the baboon clan, anaGudo, climbed up a mountain on the day of a super full moon and demanded to speak to Musiki. He knew it was hopeless. Why? Well, he had never been answered before, that's why. One more try couldn't hurt, he muttered, before he began praying. Musiki, why did you create us if all we are is a laughing stock? The lion walks around proud and boastful, and the zebra is always kicking their feet at us. And let me not start on the elephants and their mighty tusks. Every day we get tricked and laughed at like we do not matter. At feasts we are not invited because they say we smell. So why are we here? I'm tired of always being laughed at, and I don't like hitting them, but they test me. Who are you talking to? Startled, anaGudo had looked back. Tune in next week for more Kungana Chengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixezo Media. Thank you.